guys, you're welcome to our channel. So if it's your first time, please do well to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much.
Yes guys, thank you so much for your massive love and support for our channel. So guys, we were thinking this afternoon, now we're like, we've actually done a video on some top projects in Enugu State, Abakaliki precisely, and yeah, the video was well appreciated by you guys. So we were like, we that is staying in Enugu, resident in Enugu, let's even take a glimpse at the project that has been handled by this current government in Enugu State. So we decided to just put some compilations together of his project. So if you are seeing this video, do well to give us your thoughts in the comment section. So babe, can you take us through some of the project that has been done by this current governor? Alright,
we'll be listing about 6 projects, but please, this list is not exhaustive. So if there are other projects we didn't mention, please do well to let us know in the comment section. But first of all, we'll be looking at Lion Business Park. This is actually like a free trade zone and is located in 9th Mile area of Enugu State.
Yeah, that's true. It's actually located in 9th Mile area. It's a free trade zone, Lion Business Park. It's just a park where different kind of businesses can exist. No matter the kind of business, investors can come in. You do your thing there. So it's actually serving, when they actually inaugurated it, it's serving for the entire southeast actually. Here you can have like your major factory inside, and that is it. Like the last time we visited, we actually have a video on this from our video catalog. We visited and we're told Zenith Bank, Dangote is already there,
having space
and
there.
Some companies that produce zinc as well, they're already there. So that's it basically about the Lion Business Park. You can check out our video on it for more details of the environment in Lion Business Park. So I think the only thing I think the government needs to do about this is that the road leading to this park is actually very scary. So I think that is one thing that it should actually work on going forward as regards the Lion Business Park. So but it's a good place, it's a good project, I must say. So let's see.
Next, I think another project is the most talked about, Abakpa T-junction Flyover. I think this is one of the most talked about projects in recent times. And this was commissioned about 2 days ago.
2 days ago. They did a test driving about 2 days ago. Yeah, test driving was done 2 days ago about the flyover. So but this the street light has been fixed, everything is working now actually. But though still not used, but though has been officially flagged off.
So this is actually not what it looks like now. It's totally completed now.
And anticipate a video of that. They should anticipate that.
We're going to drive through very soon. I really see what it looks like.
We'll give you that update very soon.
But this is one of the major projects that was carried out by this government,
this current administration. Well, that is it guys. For me, it's okay. The Flyover is okay. We have also a video on it, a detailed video on it, so you can check the video out from our video catalog. Yeah, so it's a nice project. At least that junction is usually very
traffic prone.
The traffic this thing in that area is so much, so I think this will actually help to ease traffic around that region going forward. Yeah, but yeah, it's okay. So in the Enugu, let's get your thoughts in the comment section. This is the second project I know that is visible to my eyes that I can see as far as Enugu State is concerned. So I don't know if there's more to this, but do let us get your thoughts in the comment section. So let's take a look at what the other project I know or we know about is as far as Enugu State is concerned.
So number 3 project in Enugu State is the Enugu State International Building Material Market. Yes, I think this is a very beautiful innovation by the government. So all the building material vendors were just moved to this market. So if you want to get something related to building, you just come here directly. No need to go to different markets. You can find everything you need when it comes to building here, and this is a very beautiful space for them, which is going to be very comfortable. Though we really don't know what a cost for a shop is here, but so far so good. Many people have moved here already and the market is in use already.
Yeah, very true. The market is in Normally they used to be in Kieta axis, and the traffic around Kieta was so much. So moving them to this place, it's a very beautiful idea, and it's actually a drive-in market that you can drive in, park your car, come down, get what you want to get without fear of anything. So it's actually a massive space actually. So it's a good one. It's a good innovation by the governor. I think it's a welcome development as well as far as Enugu State is concerned. So guys, we also have a video on this. You can check out the details of the various streets or the various lane in the market also from that video. So that is it for the international building material market in Enugu State. Let's see what the next project is.
Yes guys, number 4 is roads. Yes, a good number of roads have also been worked on by this government. You can the Milky Hills Road, for example, that road was in a very, very bad shape before this government came into power, and then in recent times that road has been revamped and now it's in a very good shape. This road you can currently see is towards New Artisan axis, and then the road project is still going on, but as you can see it has been
it has actually been scraped, and we are hoping that the tiling will go on very soon, or the asphalt will be poured on it very soon. So some couple of roads has actually been done by the governor. This is actually Agbani road project that was done recently. We also have a video on that, and it was this administration also that actually helped us in the Abakpa houses going towards Nsuka, even around Transekulu. Those roads were terrible as at 2017 in Enugu. It was actually this governor that actually intervened in regards to those projects. So roads projects, these are just some of the roads that has been done by the governor. So guys, that is it. So let's see what the next project is in Enugu State.
Number 5, very important project is the Estate project. Yes, this government inaugurated this ESHDC, that's Enugu State Housing Development. So they've really been coming up with building of new estates, which has also helped to a very large extent to resolve housing problem in Enugu State. So estates like Zoo Estate, Fidelity Estate, WTC Estate, Enugu Rangers 1, Enugu Rangers 2, and so many more estates. These are brainchild of the Enugu government. So I think that's something that is worthy of note.
Yeah, of course, it's actually worthy of note. I think that this is one of the major areas to which the governor won as far as his administration is concerned, to me, my opinion, because it actually brought a lot of housing development into Enugu State. It actually had a way of pulling some of these investors, real estate investors, into the state in regards to housing development. So he did quite well in this area. But for other area, I can't really give him a good scorecard. But for this area, I think he actually tried pulling such investors into the state as far as real estate is concerned in Enugu State. So beautiful project. We have a lot of videos on different estates as far as Enugu is concerned. So you can actually go to our video catalog and just choose any one of your choice and watch. So we have a lot of video on it. So let's see what the next project is as far as Enugu State is concerned.
Yes guys, last but not the least is the Unity Park. Well, I know so many people have different feeling concerning this project, but what can we say? It is what it is. So this is Unity Park in Enugu State. It is located at Okpara Square. That's where people jog around, So this was formerly Pine Forest, and then the government came up with the initiative to restructure the place, make it a park, and you can see this massive lion structure, which is like the highlight in the park. But we believe that things are still going to be added, to make it more interesting, and there are lots of maintenance. We noticed that when we went into the place, a lot of maintenance is needed. But this is one of the projects that is currently ongoing in Enugu State at this time.
Yeah, I think the park idea is not actually a park. It's not actually a bad idea. Just like a pleasure park, like where people can chill, relax, have fun, and have some kind of discussions. But the state of the park currently is not actually as I expect it to be, you know, because the governor sang so much praises about the park. The hawk came there, government officials were always coming there, and the state of the park I saw is not actually the picture of what I had in my mind before I visited the park, because I visited a lot of other parks in other states, like the Pleasure Park in Port Harcourt, you know, beautiful place to visit. But this one, see, the governor must come in and do something about this park, because the state of the park is naturally impressive. But it's a good idea turning this place into a park, relaxation park, but I think the governor needs to do more in regards to revamping this place to be that standard that we actually want to see. So that is it basically. The highlight of this park is just the massive lion structure that they have. I think that's the only highlight in this park. Every other thing is missing. Yeah, that is my word. You can take on me in comment section regarding what I just said, but I think that's the only highlight in this park that I can see. Even the children's session is not really like it, so to say. So have we done a video on this?
Yes.
Okay, we've actually done a video on this. You can also check it out and see the detailed tour of the entire park. You will know that it's quite different from other parks. So if you have stayed with us till now, thank you very much. We do appreciate your sincere love for our channel.
Yeah, guys, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you are new on our channel, please do well to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and please, we want to hear from you in the comment section. Let's know what you think about this project, and you can also inform us of any other projects we haven't mentioned in this video.
Thank you very much, guys. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Bye.